Fracking is a form of natural gas drilling, an alternative to oil, because the oil kept spilling, bringing jobs to small towns, so everybody's willing. People turn on the lights and the drillers make a killing.
Water goes into the pipe into the ground. The pressure cranks fishes 7,000 feet down. The cracks release the gas that powers your town. That well's fracked, yeah, totally fracked.
But there's more in the water than just H2O. Toxic chemicals help to make the fluid flow. With names like benzene and formaldehyde, you better keep them far away from the water supply.
The drillers say the fishes are a mile below. The groundwater pumped into American homes. But don't tell it to the residents of Subway-O. That water's fracked. We're talking benzene. What the fuck is going on with all this fracking?
Hello, this is the water for gas hydrogen generator. I've got 60 of these ready to go. This is just the best hydrogen generator on the market without a shadow of a doubt. Has the 316L stainless steel in it, relief valve, the bubbler, the outlet ports, and color-coded the wing nuts, one black, one red, so it makes wiring it up nice and easy. I'll plug it in and let it go here. Immediately you can see the amount of hydrogen production. I've been messing around with hydrogen generators for probably about 7 years, and then when I got the plans for this one, I was just blown away. Very inexpensive to make. Most of the parts you have to buy in bulk, like the wire, for instance. You can't buy that in short pieces, you have to buy a large roll of it. Also, any other bits and pieces that you might need, I'm adding to my store here as well, so you can build yourself a unit. But the one I have running on my truck right now, I went from 15.5 miles to the gallon to about 24 miles to the gallon consistently. As far as maintenance, about once a week, maybe I add some water, a little bit of baking soda. Every couple of weeks I'll just take the jar off and give it a rinse out, because it can get a bit dirty sometimes. Other than that, it's just plug and play. And I'm saving a fortune on gas. And my van has 190,000 miles on it. It's an old 95 Astro van, and everything just runs flawlessly. And as I say, I've got 60 of these ready to go, and I'm selling them at a really economical price, so you don't have to run all over town trying to find these bits and pieces. Get one on your car as soon as you can, because you're going to be saving money all the time. And also, I had a really bad idle problem on my particular truck, and I'd never been able to get it handled. It would be a real lumpy idle, and as soon as I got this unit on there, within about 2 minutes, the idle completely smoothed down. As you can see, the top of the glass jar is very cloudy. It's just producing a hell of a lot of HHO gas. These were a brilliant unit. I don't know what else to tell you. It's definitely the best unit available. I really don't think anyone's going to come along with anything better than this. It's simple, inexpensive, safe, uses very little amps as well. This right now, I'm looking at the amp meter, this is using about 3.5 amps right now. That's it, you know, that's about what your stereo in your car uses. No more of this 30 amp systems, you have to wire in relays and all that sort of stuff. But as you can see, this thing is just making HHO gas like crazy. It's going absolutely famously. One of these in your car, whether it's a 4-cylinder or an 8-cylinder, will make the changes for you. You'll be just driving much cheaper. Here's another item as well, my emissions. Before I installed this, I went through DEQ here in Oregon, and after I'd installed it and had it in there for about 4 or 5 days, I went through DEQ again. My emissions dropped by about 400%. That's absolutely fantastic. I mean, we got to a point where we can't keep polluting the environment the way we've been doing that, and that's why I'm so passionate about selling these. I want to see one of these on every car in America and Canada. So hey, they're under 40 bucks.
Fracking is a form of natural gas drilling, an alternative to oil, because the oil kept spilling, bringing jobs to small towns, so everybody's willing. People turn on the lights and the drillers make a killing.
Water goes into the pipe into the ground. The pressure cranks fishes 7,000 feet down. The cracks release the gas that powers your town. That well's fracked, yeah, totally fracked.
But there's more in the water than just H2O. Toxic chemicals help to make the fluid flow. With names like benzene and formaldehyde, you better keep them far away from the water supply.
The drillers say the fishes are a mile below the groundwater pumped into American homes, but don't tell it to the residents of Subleway. That water's fracked. We're talking benzene.
What the fuck is going on with all this fracking going on? I think we need some facts to come to light. I know we want our energy, but nothing ever comes for free. I think my water's on fire tonight.
So it all goes back to 2005. Bush said gas drillers didn't have to comply with the Safe Drinking Water Act before too long. It was frack, baby, frack until the break of dawn.
With the EPA out, it was up to the states, but they didn't have the money to investigate. Sick people couldn't prove fracking was to blame. All the while water wells were rolling up in flames.
Cause it's hard to contain all the methane release. It can get into the air, it can get into the streams. It's a greenhouse gas worse than CO2. Fracking done wrong can lead to climate change too.
Now it's not that drillers should never be fracking, but the current regulation is severely lacking. Reduce the toxins contained, the gas and wastewater, and the people will get sick, and the planet will get hotter. What the fuck is going on with all this fracking going on? I think we need some facts to come to light. I know we want our energy, but nothing ever comes for free. I think my water's on fire tonight.
Politicians are put there to give you the idea that you have freedom of choice. You don't. You have no choice. You have owners. They own you.
Illuminati, you've come to take control. You can take my heartbeat, but you can break my soul. We all shall be free.
Well-educated people capable of critical thinking. They're not interested in that. That doesn't help them.
Illuminati, you'll never take control. Your new world order will lead to none at all. We all shall be free.
Open up your eyes, wake the fuck up, America. Elite control your lives with fear, just scaring you with terror on your screen, telling you what to believe. But who benefits from panic, hunger, and greed? Yo, that's how they feed upon the masses like a fucking disease. The only answer is to rise up, get up off your fucking knees. Tap into your inner being like a 33rd degree. I'm planting mental seeds for men to break free of an evil greed. You can't see, cause you ain't believing me, but I'm telling thee that television ain't true. Just professionally manufacturing a fallacy, imbalancing your talents. We tragically waiting for things to fucking change magically and mystically. Rewrite our fucking history. This ain't no bullshit mystery. I'm locked to prison with the key. It's in your mind, it's the boss to see.
Illuminati, you've come to take control. You can take my heartbeat, but you can break my soul. We all shall be free.
And they subsidize illness in America. They have to. There's too much money in it.
Illuminati, you'll never take control. Your new world order will lead to none at all. We all shall be free.
Fuck the internet, it took away your intellect. It stripped you of respect, so now this is what you're left with. What's the symptoms of distress? Which prescription is the best? The definition of misdirection, doctor's orders, get some rest. This hocus pocus diagnosis got you focusing on stress. These politicians ain't no better, fit the description of the devil. Grab your pistols and get ready, cause they're trying to play Geppetto. Yeah, they're trying to pull the strings, have us jumping through the rings, but they treat us like we're property. We're fucking human beings, man. Things are not the way it seems. Rarely see the American dream, cause it's more like a nightmare. Fight fair. Yeah, I'll do that when a vote counts. Yeah, I'll do that shit when they don't doubt.